Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. Grab one pad of sticky notes, a clipboard or heavy book, and a thin marker. Line the pad with the adhesive edge at the top so pages will flip toward you. Once aligned, press the stack together and fan the sticky edges slightly. This increases bite between pages. Make sure the surface is flat and stable. It prevents misalignment later. Now you're ready to begin drawing the first anchor frame at the top edge to guide movement. Start by sketching 20 to 30 simple frames, keeping changes small to ensure smooth motion. Use a light pencil for rough placement, then go over with a thin marker once the pose reads clearly. After every 3-5 frames, add a tiny registration dot or line at the same corner. This maintains consistent positioning as you flip. Once done with the key frames, flip back and forth periodically to check motion. Adjust spacing or clamp the pad at the adhesive edge, then flip the pages with your thumb to preview. You're checking flow and timing. If the motion jitters, stop and re-register by aligning the registration marks, press pages firmly together, and trim any ragged paper edges that catch. To alter timing, add duplicates of a frame to slow a beat or remove repeats to speed it up. One key troubleshooting tip: if pages stick unevenly, fan the pad and dust the adhesive gently, then realign and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.